Want to know how to create an account in CoinMaster? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy 7-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, to get this, simply open up your CoinMaster application by installing it. So we have also created a video on how to install it on your Android or your iPhone, so make sure to watch it. So once you have opened up your game, you should be under this interface right here. Make sure you agree to the terms and conditions and allow notifications, and you should be right here. Now you have got two options. You can either play as a guest or play with connecting to Facebook. So since we are signing up, you can just simply select Facebook icon right here and then select play. Now once that comes up, a Facebook browser should appear right there, and it should ask you for your profile. If you have not logged in, you should be able to log in, and it should show something like this. And once that is done, you should be automatically logged in, or just simply continue in order to do so. So once that is done, your game should load and you should be good to go. And there you go, our game has started to load as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. See you in the next one.